I'm a teacher looking for dance programs for my students, so I've come to SWPA.artlookmap.com. First, I will select partners and use the filters to narrow my search. I'm looking for field trips and performance workshops in dance. And I want a partner with experience with grades K through 5, and that they're looking for partnerships. I can export this list here and get a spreadsheet with my results. I can also click on a partner like K Theater Dance Complex and scroll down to see who they already partner with and what programs they offer. At the top of their profile, I can reach out directly to the partner via email. I can also check out their website to learn more. How will you use ArtLook SWPA to find an arts partner today?